Good morning, student. Today we'll study a class 4th subject English language. Your book name English grammar and composition. Now will be start chapter 3. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 title is noun. Noun definition. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or things or what is said about something. Example: boy, girl, daughter, etc. Nouns are also known as naming word. For example, Meena is reading a book. Delhi is popular city. The words Meena, book and Delhi are called nouns. Kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. Number A, common noun. Number B, proper noun. Number C, collective noun. Number D, material noun. Number E, abstract noun. Common noun. Common noun is the name of people, animal, places or things of the same group. Some common nouns: person, girl, woman, parent, boy, child, teacher, soldier, etc. Animals: dog, cat, lion, zebra, peacock, whale, elephant, etc. Places: colony, country, ocean, town, city, mountain, river, etc. Things: fan, book, computer, desk, chair, bench, box, eraser, etc. Proper noun. Proper noun are the names of a particular people, animals, places or things. All proper noun begins with a capital letter. Study the following table. Girl Reena. School St. Francis School. Dog Tommy. Pen Ronald. Note that the word girl can be used for all girls, but Reena is the name of particular girl. So girl is a common noun while Reena is a proper noun. Collective noun. A collective noun describes a group of people, animal or things of the same kind and spoken of as a unit. For example, a hive of bees, a team of players, a crowd of people, an army of soldiers and herd of cattle, a, a fleet of ships, a bundle of sticks, a flock of sheep, a basket of fruit, a chain of mountains. Material noun. A material noun is a thing from which a new things can be made or used to make other things. Some material nouns. A material noun is a thing from which a new thing can be made or used to make other things. Some material nouns: silk, sugar, wood, gold, water, rice, milk, iron, silver, wheat, paper, copper, gold, cement, cotton, sand, honey, plastic, wool, grains, wheat, soil, air, chemical. Abstract noun. Abstract noun refer to qualities which cannot be seen or touched. Some abstract noun: quality: goodness, greed, bravery, kindness, honesty, truth, wisdom, etc. Action: laughter, theft, movement, judgment, behavior, flight, etc. State: beauty, sickness, freedom, sadness, manhood. youth, sleep, etc. No more. Article the is not used with material noun and abstract noun. The subjects of study are also abstract noun, such as grammar, science, art, etc. Formation of abstract noun and common noun. Abstract noun can be formed from adjective, verbs, and common noun. From adjectives: kindness from kind, illness from ill, sadness from sad, bravery from brave, honesty from honest, loudness from loud. From verbs: obedience from obey, obedience from obey, pleasure from please, growth from grow, childhood from child. Common noun can also be formed by adding er to the verbs. Write, writer, actor. Common noun representing person are formed by adding n at the end of a noun denoting a place. India, Indian, Arab, Arabian, America, American, Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan. Now complete your lesson. Your homework is lesson 3.